Just before starting this video, I would like to say that our community has a Discord server where you can ask questions about tutorials as well as discuss Unity development. Link can be found in the description.
Hello everyone and welcome to the ninth part of creating a visual novel in Unity. In this part, we will add voice acting for our novel. Well, let's get started. Just another day in my room. Gonna sleep all day long. Suddenly I woke up and decided to go for a
Perfect. Now the characters of our novel will be able to speak. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and your support. I will see you in the next tutorial.